In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit the footer in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to change the actual text, add slide numbers, or display the date at the bottom of your slides, this tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring your presentation looks polished and professional. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and let's navigate to the top ribbon menu. Here, you'll find various tabs that help you manage different aspects of your slides. We're interested in the Insert tab, so go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to adding new elements to your slides, from pictures and charts to text boxes and, yes, footers. Once you're in the Insert tab, look towards the right side of the ribbon to locate the text group. Inside this group, you'll see a button labeled Header and Footer. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. This window is your control center for managing not only footers, but also headers and other slide elements. Now, make sure you're on the Slide tab at the top of this pop-up window. It's important because PowerPoint also offers an option for notes and handouts, which we're not focusing on today. With the Slide tab active, you'll see various options that you can customize for the slides in your presentation. To edit the footer, check the box next to Footer. This action activates the input box below where you can type your new text. This could be anything from a company slogan to a presentation date or even a website URL. Remember, whatever you decide to include should add value and context to your slides without overcrowding them. If your presentation includes a title slide that you want to keep clean and free of footers, there's a handy option for that. Look for the box labeled Don't Show on Title Slide. By checking this box, you ensure that the footer is visible on all slides except for your title slide, maintaining a neat and professional appearance. Once you're satisfied with your footer text and settings, it's time to apply the changes. At the bottom of the pop-up window, you'll see two buttons, Apply and Apply to All. If you want every slide in your deck to reflect these changes, click Apply to All. This option is perfect for maintaining consistency throughout your presentation. However, if you prefer to update only the currently selected slide, the Apply button is your go-to choice. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the footer in your PowerPoint presentation. By following these steps, you can ensure your slides convey the necessary information while maintaining a cohesive and professional look. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials on PowerPoint and other presentation tips. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.